Hi Pharrell, this is Jonah again. I'm going to do a presentation on how to manage revision sets and sheet lists that contain our revisions within Revit. This is something that comes up on a lot of projects. Some projects the architect will want us to use their process for managing revisions, but this is a process that we've developed internally for when we have a choice in it. I feel that this is the fastest and simplest, so I will get started and explain some of the unique process steps that we use. So I'm leaving this up here so that we can hide what project this is. Okay. So first off, we are going to need this later on. What we're going to do is, as if we are going to print, and I'm going to check none. I'm going to get rid of views, and then we're going to check all and do a save as, and we're going to call this all sheets. Okay. And we're going to close that. We don't actually want to print anything. That would be step 1 or step 2. The alternative step 1 would be, and in this case I do want to do this, we're going to go into our view, revisions, and we are going to go ahead and add a new revision. We'll call this demo revision. Right. And we'll go ahead and say OK. And so the revision now exists in our project. It's not on any sheets or anything. So if we wanted, we could go through each sheet and cloud based on our new revision, or if this is because we don't actually want it to be clouds but to just show up on our title blocks, I'll show you the process. Hopefully you've installed PyRevit already. This is going to be more fundamental in our process. And PyRevit has these new revision options. In this case, because the revision's on a sheet set, let's go ahead and put them on the sheets. So go through that, find the revision that we just made, and select that. And we have a second dialog. Let's find our all sheets that we just made right there. And on this one, we'll select whichever sheets we think that would be in this print set. We have to individually select it. So this is actually kind of similar to how you would create a new print set. Let's just select some random ones here just to show it working. Okay, that should be plenty just to illustrate this purpose. We'll go ahead and set revision, and we'll pop up with one more dialog box. This gives us a list of all of the sheets that the revision was added to. We can go ahead and close that out. Great. So we've done the initial setup. The revisions are on sheets. Now what we can do is go back to revision and do create revised sheet set. So we're going to go ahead and find that revision, and we'll say matching any. And so now we have if we go back to print, new sheet set named what we called it. Sorry, I should have renamed it. And that'll be our default selected. This is a good way of checking. It's called revision because We go back and double check this, view, revisions. I'm not sure why it's called revision. Anyway, that's fine. Actually, I think what we should do is go in here, select this one. Well, let's go ahead and rename this to demo set, just so we can have an easy way of remembering it. I'll say okay, okay, and then go ahead and close that. So that is most of the setup there. The reason why we are separating this out is because there is the chance that, one, you've clouded everything, and so your revisions are already on your sheets, or the other case that comes up a lot is that we have a set of sheets that we are trying to get the revision onto the title block and onto our sheet list. So either way, we've already created that sheet set. So our final step is just getting from what we have set into our project onto our sheet list. So if we go into Dynamo Player, and again, probably remember how to do this, but it is under Manage, Dynamo Player, and we have a sheet list, print set to column. We simply need to run this and find our sheet list. That is a list of all the schedules that are sheet schedules. In general, we'll only have one in the project. The others were for testing. So it would probably be the only option. Find the revision that we wanted. In this case, we wanted the demo set. And then we can write whatever we want in here. Let's say issued. And go ahead and say set values. And there you have. You had another one. It's issued. It'll give this warning. Don't worry about that. That is quite fine. You might want to go in and just update this to, be aligned to center. Change the text. You can change the name here. This is new issue demo set. It's not a live schedule, so you'll have to rerun this as you go along. But if you were to change it, you can actually just rerun it, and it will clear out all of these values and put in new values as well. So I hope that explains the process. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And that is it for now. Yeah, have a great day.